Hi traders, welcome to this FXDD video on the euro dollar and pound dollar. My name is Chris from Elite Currency. We're going to dive into the charts and technical analysis very soon. First of all though, this risk disclaimer, it explains the fact that trading for exchange and global financial markets is considered high risk, may not be suitable for everyone. Please seek the advice of an independent financial advisor for more information on that, and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Check out FXDD YouTube channel for subscribing and then seeing all the videos and webinars that Nenad and I add on a weekly basis. And also check out these two links if you want to join our live webinars with FXDD as well. All right, first of all, your dollar is in a downtrend, but yesterday's candle was bullish and we're seeing another bullish day emerge right now, in fact. So I think that some retracement is likely to take price higher, and I think that price could aim for the round 110 level. It's kind of like a gravity, it's pulling price probably to it, and I wouldn't be surprised if that could be a bouncing spot. Typically 110 level is a zone, so anywhere between 109.75 and 110.25 I think could hold as a kind of an area where price might go to, but then bounce and continue lower again within this downtrend. Obviously there is a downtrend that we can all see with lower lows and lower highs, this downtrend channel working very nicely, and recently we had some good downside on the euro dollar from 111, in fact, breakout to 109, pullback, and then a breakout continuation here as well on this daily chart. Now we're looking at, I think, a pullback, and I would believe a continuation. So far, these breakouts of the lows didn't go too far, so I'm not that surprised that we're seeing a pullback here, but I do think again that the 21 EMA will hold. If price does break above 110.25, that would certainly change perspectives, and there could be maybe more upside. But for the moment, this is looking bearish. We had a break below support here. I should use blue for that. Break below here with good continuations, and traded this a couple of times to the downside from 110.50 to just below 109. Now we had a head and shoulders pattern here, left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder right here, bullish candle confirming that head and shoulders, and price is now breaking above the resistance fractals. So for the moment, I'm slightly bullish on this. I think if price makes a flag throughout the Asian session on the 3rd of October, 2nd to 3rd of October here, end of the 2nd, beginning of the 3rd, I think there's a fair chance of that bull flag continuing higher and price making its way up to that resistance zone, which is where I'll be looking for bearish price action, bearish candlestick patterns on the 4-hour chart for a turnaround and a move up. So a break here, I think, like this flag, and a break to the weekly pivot point, and then up towards that, and then down, I think, from there. That's my view on the euro dollar for the moment. On the pound dollar, yeah, basically bullish candlestick as well. A big wick at the bottom and a bullish close. So that looks like a pin bar after a strong push down again. Now if we put a fib from the very bottom to the very top here, price hit the 50 fib, bounced, rejected at 38, then went down to the 61.8 fib. So playing ping pong between these fibs here, but nice bounce at the 50 and the 61.8 fib. So I think that this 61.8 fib, looking strong, and bullish engulfing twins on the 4-hour chart, pullback, failure to break this bottom basically, and now moving higher. So I think that this could be ABC completed to the downside, bearish ABC, A here, B here, and a pretty lengthy wave C that went all the way down to the 61.8 fib. But this bullish price action here, and then now as well, looking like an ABC, a bullish ABC, that all could be part of a complex correction, such as a W here, this being an X, and then down for Y. So let me take off this fib again and put it in the opposite direction, where I put the fib from here to here, like that. And if today's daily candle, of course, very important. If it closes bearish all the way down here at 122.22, if it were to close somewhere in here, that would not look good for the bulls. I'm just being upfront right away. If it closes lower, I don't think that will happen. If it closes something like that, that would indicate 2 wicks, and I would expect more upside. So if that happens today, tomorrow specifically, I would expect, if the bulls keep control of that candle, I would expect a bull flag tomorrow, maybe even a triangle A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, and then a break to the upside like that with this momentum leading. Or if there is a flag, a continuation higher. And I think the target for the moment, 50 fib 123.90 or the 61.8 fib at 124.35. Those are my targets for upside, and those are also bouncing spots. Again, those are fib levels, those are fib resistance spots where a downtrend can continue again, and price could move lower towards the -272 target in some kind of complex correction. I think for the moment at least that could be likely. So both euro dollar, pound dollar look bearish in the intermediate, let's say medium term. I think this upside will face resistance and move lower to challenge these bottoms. But I do think that upside first before down. Same on the euro dollar, upside first before down. So looking for today's daily candle for an upside, looking for a flag for continuation at the rest of this week. And as price gets, if price does move up, then looking for bearish candlestick patterns at 124, 124.25 on the pound dollar and 110 zone on the euro dollar. All right, so that's it for now. Going to be back, of course, with more analysis and webinars with FXDD throughout October. So join those links and, of course, subscribe to the FXDD YouTube channel. Wish you all great trading. Cheers.